Welcome to English Room eLearning. Today we will be learning how to use can I, could I and may I. In our everyday life we come across with situations like asking permission from someone, right? When we are in need of something, we ask someone to get their permission, right? We ask permission from other people to get something. So today we will be learning how to use these can I, could I and may I, and we will be discussing how the permission is given for these questions, and also we will be discussing the request. How to use these words in requests. Okay. So we use can, could and may to ask permission. Right? When we are in need of something, we ask permission and we use these words to ask permission. We use can and may but not could to give permission. Okay, when we give permission, we use can and may. We will not use what? We will not use could to give permission. For example, you are asking someone to get a pencil. Can I take your pencil? Or you are asking someone, can I ask you a question? How will be the answer? The answer will be like, yes, you can. Okay, this is what an informal way of asking permission. If you are talking to your friends, or if you are talking to someone who are familiar with you, you ask like this, like, can I do this? Can I take this? Can I take your pen or pencil? Like that. The answer will be yes, you can. The second one is could. Could I take your book? Could I use your phone? In these sentences, how will be the answer? The answer will be yes, you can, or yes, you may. It will not be yes, you could. It is wrong to use like that. It is yes, you can or yes, you may. These questions, could I take your book or could I use your phone, is what? It is more formal or it is polite than can. Canനെക്കാട്ടിലും polite ആയി ചോദിക്കുന്ന രീതിയാണ് could. Could I use your phone? Could I use your notebook? So this is the difference between can and could, and the answer will be yes, you may or you can. It will not be yes, you could, because to use could in giving permission is not right. We will not use it like that. The third one is may I. When we enter into our classroom, how would we ask? We will ask it like, may I come in? Or you are entering into an office. How will you ask? May I will be the way of asking permission, or it is because you are in a very formal situation. So it is the very or the more polite way of asking permission. So if you are in your classroom and you are in need of going to toilet, how will you ask? You will ask it like, may I go to toilet? Because it is your teacher and you are giving some respect to her, and that is why you are being somewhat polite to her. Okay, so you are being more polite then. When you are using may, it is more polite. Okay, and if you are in a shop, or if you are in a textile shop or the salesman is coming to you and ask you, may I help you? It is because you are a stranger to them. And you are their customers, then they are being very polite to you, like, may I help you? Okay, the answer will be like what? Yes, you may, or yes you can. Yes you may is the actual reply for the use of may I. So it is even more formal, or it is even more polite when you use may. Okay, so that is the difference between can, could and may. Can I, could I and may I. I think it is clear. And the next thing is how we can use these things when we are making some request. Okay, when we make requests, we can use can or could, but not may. We will not use may when we are making a request. We will not use may. We will use only can or could. For example, can you call back later? I am busy now. Could you call back later? I am busy now. So could is more polite than can. Okay? More often teachers and parents use these words, right? To request. For example, can you open your books at page 34 please? This is how teachers ask the students, right? Can you please stop making noise? Using could, it will be like, could you please move a bit? Could you please help me to do this work? So could is more polite than can, and we will not use may when we make request. So I think these things are clear to you. We will be discussing more and more grammar parts or communicative things in the coming videos. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, please do subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for watching.